Welcome. Let's solve some of the questions which were asked in the 2023 paper for the NET history examination. Now, the first question was related to the author of Sanskrit poem Madhura Vijayam. Now, this poem describes about the military campaign of Kumar Kampana, and this was written by Ganga Devi. Now, Ganga Devi, she was the wife of Kumar Kampana, the prince of the region, and she wrote the Sanskrit poem Madhura Vijayam. She has been renowned 14th century poet from the Vijayanagar dynasty, and the poem was to commemorate the campaign led by her husband against the Madurai Sultanate. So a very important epic. Now she actually belonged to a Telugu speaking region, but still she wrote poems in Sanskrit. Those are some of the important things that you must remember here. Now questions like these are commonly asked for your NET examination. The next was, who was the rebel minister of Baji Rao II who instigated Beels against the British occupation of Khandesh in 1818. Now, Maratha Empire was a powerful Hindu empire, and that was in the 17th century. Now, original regional warriors, the Marathas, were in the region of Deccan. It was Trimbakji who was the rebel minister of Bajirao II, and he instigated the Bheels against the British occupation of Khandesh. Now, during this time, Peshwas were the ministers of the Maratha Empire, so the ministers were called as Peshwa. Balaji Vishwanath and his descendant, that is Bajirao 1 and 2, were the major Peshwas during that time, and they had won significant battles against the Mughal Empire. So British occupation of 1818 in the region of Khandesh was an idea to expand control of British Empire in the region of India. Khandesh is the western part of Maharashtra. So it is the region which is in the west of Maharashtra, and here originally Marathas in 18th century had established their authority, and therefore this is an important region of conflict. The next is, who called the suspension of non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji, which was due to mob violence at Chora Chori and was considered as a national calamity. So here Subhash Chandra Bose was the one who called for the suspension of non-cooperation movement, and that was due to the mob violence that occurred at the Chauri Chaura, and it was called as the national calamity because there was mass protest and civil disobedience which happened, and this ultimately turned out to be one of the major triggers which led to the suspension of the non-cooperation movement in India. So C or Subhash Chandra Bose is the correct answer here. The next is an interesting book, Travels in India during the year 1780, 81, 82 and 83. Now this is a book which is written by William Hodgins, and this book actually talks about his 4 year of stay in India. He was actually a painter from British East India Company who came to India, and he spent 4 years in India in the major cities of Madras, Delhi and Calcutta, and during this time he wrote the book Travels in India during these years, and he also mentioned the details and the intricacies about the Deccans and the Himalayas in his book. The next is the various films and the directors of the film. So Ekta was directed by Wadia, Apna Desh by Santaram, Jhansi Ki Rani by Saurabh Modi, and Vrat by R.S. Chaudhary. Now, theme of each of the movies has been given here. So Jhansi Ki Rani, as the name suggests, it was a life history of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Vrat was a idea where anger and revenge was actually discussed. Apna Desh, where a feeling of patriotism was discussed. Ekta talked about, as the name suggests, patriotism and unity. So those were some of the important questions that we have picked from the UGC history. The complete paper solutions are available in the link below. Wish you good luck. Have a wonderful evening ahead.